There it is. There it is. See it? Oh my gosh. That's not good.
Yeah, it's
that whole
weird.
thing, look at it.
Yeah.
I think it's getting bigger. I think it's coming kind of towards us.
Turn on the road facing it right up here. Keep going, keep going.
Tornado warning for Central Towner County in northeastern North Dakota. Until 0615 p.m. CDT at 0530 p.m. CDT. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over it, or 44 miles northwest of Devil's Lake, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
It's kind of slick. We're getting some pretty heavy winds right now.
Yeah. You're doing good, Randy.
Thing right there. Anything coming right this way?
Right now, I'm not seeing anything. Go on, Randy, keep it close. I'm not seeing anything right now. There's the patches of trees. A lot of times, if there is homes, there will be patches of trees, and it's going right toward one patch of trees right now. But it's kind of off the ground right now. It's really not got real hard circulation.
There it is.
Just keep on going. Yeah, it just keeps setting down just little fingers. It's getting ready to cross the road just right in front of us right now. We got a house right now. It's coming right at the house. Okay, go on up there. Keep. Hurry, get over this hill.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
Tearing up stuff. Look. Look.
Yeah.
We got damage.
Okay, keep going. We're right on the edge of the circulation right now. It just hit something. There's a house up here. I think it may have just took out a house up here. Not really sure.
Look at all the debris.
Yeah. Keep going. We'll see what we've got. Get up here, Randy. We may have to see if we... Oh, it's a home. Get up to that house. Get up to that house.
Is it gone?
Oh yes, we're just like 100 yards from the tornado right now. It's a big wedge right now. I'm zoomed out as far as I can zoom out, and I can't get both sides of it.
Kind of pushing around.
Get to that house real quick.
It's shoving our butt in around, really. Oh my God.
Get to that house.
That's the house or the barn. I think shed.
Is it just a shed? No, I really don't know right now exactly. We're on a dirt road and it's real slick right at the moment. Let me see. I don't know if this is a house or just a shed.
I think there's a house in the shed.
John Deere tractors in there. I don't think that. I think it's just. I think it's pretty much just.
There's a house back here.
I don't think. I think it's just a machine shed.
Oh,
Keep going if you can.
got boards. Oh, looky there.
Yeah, keep.
You want to go
Keep.
in here and see?
Go right. Go right. Right here. Let's see.
You better look
No,
at
keep
the
going.
road.
Keep going.
Look at that tin.
The next road will go right.
Now this is, can't go real fast. This is pretty damn slick right here. Look out for the deer. You don't have any rotation going left.
We're good. Get up here to the next road and go right. That's the back of it right there. I can see the fingers.
Hang on. It's gonna get bad right up here, Kelly. Which way?
We'll go left when you get to the road.
I'm not sure it's a road. Oh, man. It goes through.
Yeah.
Look at these trees. They come right through here. See here? Came right through here.
There, tornado on the ground.
Where's it at? Right there. Right there.
See it?
Yeah, I can see it right there. Right there to the right.
Yeah.
Right or straight. Right.
Go right.
Oh, shoot. Right
Well, go
there.
ahead. Straight ahead. Straight ahead. Go.
Which way is it going?
That way.
You sure?
Wait, hold it.
That's not
Just a minute. Wait. Is that coming this way?
Well, I'm pretty damn sure it is. Can I cut off?
Wait, ready? Go straight. Go straight. It's going to the right. Just hold off.
I'm gonna back up so I can go in.
No, just stop right here. Just hold right here. Hold that here, Randy.
There's a road back here.
I know. We don't want to go down it.
No, but then we can go any direction.
Turn where we can look that way.
That sucker come right back this way, Kelly.
Okay. Just about us. We actually met a tornado head on. It actually was moving to the west, and it actually is still on the ground right now. It's moving to the south out of this storm right here. Heading that way. Go that way.
Wait,
Aim that way.
Oh, aim that way. Right there it is. It's rotating right there.
Just a second. Hang on just 1 second. We got a tornado right on us. It's let's get down that road, Randy, and get an exit right there.
Sure.
Yeah, go out.
Do we
there.
have an exit down there?
Yeah, go.
I think
Yeah, we've got a
you don't want to go
tornado
right.
it's actually doing some real weird stuff right now. It's actually kind of moving backwards. It's rotating kind of counterclockwise around the storm. Never seen quite anything quite like that before. We are right now. We've got the tornado is just about 200 yards. Hold it right here, Randy. About 200 yards, maybe 100 yards to our south, rotating in the field right now.
I think we need to get ahead of
Right now it seems to be about 300 yards wide and getting wider. It's kind of like when we had it a while ago. My streams should be getting a little bit better here in the next little bit. Starting to zoom out there. Okay, we've got a pretty decent shot of it. It's off the ground right now. It actually kind of, I've never seen one do that. We've been watching the storm go to the northeast. The tornado actually stopped, formed in front of us again, and started moving backward. Okay, Randy, we need to just stop.
You sure?
Yeah, because I don't know where anything is. Let's get out. We got to get out.
Like daylight there.
We've got to get out. Right there it is. Right.
Which way?
That's it right in front of us.
It is.
Right there.
Where's this road to the left go?
Nowhere. Dead end. We can go right. We can go straight. Aim that way a little bit.
Which way? I don't know which way to go.
Just stay right here.
This one here goes the big, you know. I think it's on the ground, Kelly.
Yeah.
It's on the ground. Looks like it. Just watch behind us. Like it just kind of. Okay to go straight now?
Yeah.
Look back behind us back there. It looks like it's getting off the black.
I'm watching behind us.
That thing's about on the ground. That is one huge walkout. Not showing any real tight rotation in NROT or SRV, but that's getting right on the folding area of the radar too. I think I'm going to have to try to find another radar.
Kelly Canada's right there. That goes. We're heading straight.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm starting to see some rotation right there, right close to you.
That's about as good as I can do right there. Which way is that going?
It's going that way. This back here is all coming at us though, but we've got a up here at Rock Lake, we can go to the right. Let me show you what I'm looking at. See this road here?
Yeah.
That's the plan.
Up here.
Yeah.
To the
We're gonna take a hit right here. Go ahead and down the road now.
What are you gonna do?
Well, we're gonna get hit no matter what. We're gonna have some winds here. We got it coming. Let's go straight ahead. Just watch close. Do it and just go as quick as you can.
We need to go.
We're actually going.
Kind of into it.
Yeah. But we're getting a lot of it. This behind us is coming right at us. No, just don't go, Randy. There's a lot of rotation right in front of us, Barry.
I just got a new scan. There sure is. I'm also seeing 67-mile-an-hour winds at 5,800 feet.
Let's go back, turn around.
Watch me back there. Tell me when I can cut it.
Actually, two tight areas of rotation. One's just about on top of you, just maybe off to your right. The other one's right off to your left.
Let's retreat. We turned around, we're headed back south.
That's a good idea, because that one that's on your west side there is going to go right over top of you. Don't get out of there. Got a new scan, Kelly. That rotation's almost right on top of you, just back behind you.
We're going south just hard as we can. We're kind of putting some distance on us now. Getting real high winds right at the moment. My rear flank downdraft right here.
That scan I was seeing 6-7 winds right there where you're at.
Yeah, we're getting every bit of it. What about hail?
And it is showing a 2-inch hail core, 80% severe, but it's back off behind you. You should be clear as far as hail goes.
That gas I'm smelling, propane.
Yeah. Look at these.
We got power lines down. I'm smelling propane.
Man.
Real bad propane smell. Very bad. Something's got hit.
I got super tight rotation back in behind you now. Something just went through that area.
Yeah, we had something on the ground. Just don't get any trees to our right.
I'm trying to just get where I can see.
Yeah. Well, there's something right behind us, Randy. Stop, look back here real quick. We may have something. tell if that's rotating or not. You gotta look. It's right behind us. It's back. It's going up. That may be it right. Look at it going up right there. Right behind us.
Yep. We need to back in this driveway right here. Hey, we need to back
Yeah,
in
back
this
in.
driveway.
This thing's getting ready to go up right here. That's it. Aim right at it.
Where'd it go?
Went up, but it's. That's it. Look at it rotate. Yeah, it's rotating right now. Whoops, stop funnel cloud right there
Which direction?
behind us. Jump out and look at it.
I think TWC might be getting ready to get a hold of you again.
Look at my stream, got one.
I see her.
We need to, let's stay touched down. We probably need to get up here and turn around. It's going to go to the ground. We need to turn around.
I got the funnel cloud and the sun all in one picture.
Do it as fast as you can.
They're gonna turn around right here.
They probably got, I'm sure they,
Don't let me drive off into that.
I'm just trying to keep it on this funnel right now. Yeah, you seeing what I've got? Got a funnel. Had it for a while. Maybe get back to the ground.
There's another one right there.
Where two of
Another
them?
one right there.
Oh, we got two of them.
Two of them. See them? Got two. One there and
We
one
got
there.
two. One on the ground. We're Devil's Lake, just to the north. Yep.
Yeah, it looks like it's on the ground. Well, for a split second, it looked like it was almost to the ground. Oh, you got twins.
Kelly, that's on the ground. That
Yeah.
one there.
Yeah.
And this one here, I can't tell it's rain right now.
Okay, I'm running out of record card. No way.
Oh, man.
Oh, dang it. What happened there?
It's going away. Maybe. Another one.
Hello? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm getting ready to go on, so just hang us here just a second.
We're blocking the road. People behind us in front of us. They're getting rain wrapped, ain't they?